My name is Maria Moiseyeva. I'm from Moscow and I've graduated Instituto Marangoni this year with a fashion degree. I've participated in London Graduate Fashion Week, and as a designer I really like to experiment with different materials. My last collection and two outfits that I chose for Designers of the Future by Magami Fashion follow the concept of felting and creating different textures that would be perceived differently for everyone. The grey coat is made out of felted mesh that looks like dust for someone, and for another one it looks like a spider web. The striped jacket is made out of scratch. I made it out of stripes of chiffon and jersey, and then I felted them together with different shades of yellow and grey of merino wool. I find beautiful balance in contrast. The light and sheer dress and heavy structured jacket is my elegance. Beautiful contrast.